A very good morning to you, children. I hope you all are fine. These days, children, as you know, that the situation outside is very bad. So you all are required to stay indoors to keep yourselves safe. So I wish that all of you should remain safe and healthy by staying inside. Now, children, as you all know that we are not conducting any online classes, but we are going to post you some activities which you will be doing in your vacation time. So today in the English class we are going to study about a comprehension. So I'll be giving you a comprehension passage and reading it also for you. Later on I'll be posting some questions related to that which you will be doing in a separate copy as per the circular which you have already received. So let us begin with today's activity, that is a comprehension passage, a leaping birthday. Now Salma was the only class 5 student in her school with just 2 candles on her birthday cake. So this story or this passage is about a girl whose name is Salma. She is in class 5 and she has only 2 candles on her birthday cake. Isn't it strange? When you are studying in class 5 and you are having only 2 candles on your birthday cake, let us see why. She liked to tell people that her younger brother was 8 and her younger sister was 5, just to see the confused looks on their face. So Salma has one younger brother who was 8 years old. Salma has one younger sister who was 5 years old, and now Salma, she was only 2 years old. Wasn't it strange? They would scratch their heads and wonder how it was possible. So if anybody tells you anything of that sort, that I am the elder one and I am only 2 years old and my youngers are 8 and 5, so definitely it will keep you confused. Now what was the reason? She would also say things like, I was just 3 years old before I had my first birthday. So she also said to other children that when I was 1 year old, I had already 3 years over in my life. So after spending 3 years of my life, I was just 1 year old. Now some children would ask her what she meant. So many children, they used to ask her what was the reason behind this, what she meant by that. And she enjoyed explaining things to them, and she loved to tell people the reason of that. The reason was, I was born on 29th February 1996. So the reason was that she was born on 29th February. And you all know that 29th February comes after every 4 years. That's a leap year day. The next leap year didn't come until 2000. So that was my first birthday. So if she celebrated her first birthday on 2000, that was a leap year. So she was actually 4 years old, but as per the date, she was only 1 year old. She explained that a leap year has 366 days instead of 365 days. A leap year is any year that can be evenly divided by 4. And it's a very simple mathematic logic where you learn how we calculate a leap year. Again, it's a social studies logic where you come to know why there are 366 days in a leap year. So this was the reason why Salma had her birthday after every 4 years. Now when an actual birthday came around, it was very important occasion. So obviously किसी का birthday अगर 4 years में एक बार आता है तो that is a very very special occasion for that person. She celebrated every year, of course, but had to do it either on 28th February or 1st March. Obviously बात है, when we are having a birthday and the date is not coming every year, so what we will do? Either we will celebrate birthday one day before or one day after. So every year she also celebrated her birthday on 28th February or 1st March. But the actual birthday used to come only after 4 years. Neither felt really right. But every 4 years she got to celebrate on her actual birthday, and this was one of those years. So this was the year when she was celebrating her birthday on actual date, that was 29th February. Salma planned a big birthday in her garden. There would be plenty of room to play leapfrog. So since her birthday came after every 4 years, she had a big plan for her birthday. She celebrated it in a very grand way. She organized a big party in her garden where children could happily play leapfrog game. So I hope the passage is clear to all of you. Let's quickly go through the questions which you will be doing on your own, and maybe in the next activity session I will take up the answers for these questions so that you can tally and correct yourselves. So let us go through the questions quickly. The exercise A is complete these sentences, and the first one is Salma was the only class 5 student who dash birthday cake. So you are supposed to search the answer of this blank from the passage. The second blank is she would confuse her classmates by saying dash. Again, the answers to all these blanks you have to find from the passage. A leap year has dash days. It comes every dash years. Fourth one is Salma celebrated her actual birthday on dash. So these are the blanks which you have to fill, and then you will be completing these questions also. First one is, why did Salma say that she was 3 years old before her first birthday? So you will be searching the answers. What is a leap year is the second question. Third one is, when did Salma celebrate her birthday every year? Every year, not the actual date, but when she celebrated her birthday. And the last question is, why was Salma's actual birthday an important occasion, and how did she celebrate that day? Why her actual birthday, that is 29th February, was an important birthday for her, and how did she plan to celebrate it? So I'll post you the PDF also so that you can also read the passage on your own. I have already explained you, and after reading the passage you will be solving these question answers and complete the sentences part in the separate copy. Till then, have a nice day and keep yourselves safe.